So we out here, guys. We in LA, bro. And right now, I guess the women that were supposed to pull up, they flaked on us. So we just standing out here right now, bro. But I guess they went to a different Addy than we sent them. But anyways, we got much to do today. We going to the beach and we gonna be lit. So make sure you smash that sub and let's tee up today.
We out in LA today, baby! And we gonna go to the beach! My life it changes so fast. Spray painted it black. Messed up before COVID at that. Now my mama hold veggies and rats. Spanish bitch and I'm pulling her tracks. And I did it all, nigga can't cap. Somehow I'm still running like trap. All my niggas all on the back.
I mean, I moved out here from New York, and so I did more of like the theater space there.
Well, you've been doing commercials.
Yeah. I do a little hand modeling actually too on the side.
What, do you have an agency?
I do.
We got an actor, aspiring actor.
Hello, toodles.
Okay.
Find me on the internet, Tarastona.
Okay.
You know, book me.
We got him.
You're a New Yorker, yeah?
Yes.
We on Venice Beach with it, guys. We made it. Everybody here. We on Venice Beach. Our first beach day. It's my first beach day with them. We about to see it. This is his first time at Venice Beach right here.
Never been to a beach, yeah?
In LA Beach. You can't come to LA and not go to the beach, bro. And that's what we gonna do. We're doing videos already. Doing videos. Who's recording this? On Venice Beach.
We are ready to take your order right here, right now, for the window. So yes, check it out. That's what it's ready and good water here at the Orange Inside.
Bro, this is literally a movie set, bro. This is a movie set everywhere we go.
Sorry, what's your name?
Leslie.
Leslie. I'm like my friend Leslie. For you guys, my friend Leslie. When you come, when you walk in, if you can stand like real close to him,
Okay.
just to frame it, and then essentially he's gonna like do his face.
We here right now. We about to go into Dave & Buster's, guys. We about to hit a Dave & Buster's stream. Another restaurant video. I know y'all like the restaurant videos, but there's an arcade in there. Maybe we'll see somebody that we can interact with. You two, I'm here. We about to go into Dave & Buster's. About to get shit active and popping. And it's good. It's a LA night. It's a vibe on a LA. We gotta go to an active place. We ended up not going.
You can go to an active place. Bro, I'm here. We go to Hollywood.
We're not.
Nah, I'm thinking, what is this?
I'm dead. Well, I guess it wasn't active enough, so we decided not to go. We're about to go to Hollywood. Just got to the active spot. Alright guys, you won't believe it. We couldn't get into that spot. I know, but now we're going to a third spot that we know we can get into. But we here on Hollywood, guys. So now let's go see what's popping again. Burgers. At a burger spot right now, guys. A burger restaurant. That's how we live in reserve. Table reserve. They're trying to get the service charge off it.
You want us to go?
That's how she get paid.
Yeah.
No, bro, come on.
I have to pay the rent, I have to pay the bill.
She said I gotta pay rent.
Yeah. My landlord wouldn't.
It's LA.
But let's say we spent £200. We then have to pay 18% of whatever we spend. So you can end up with unlimited.
And I pay income taxes, 45% income.
And look at that bite out of that burger I just took. Everybody got their food and shit. He said the burger makes him feel sick. And he wants to take it back.
Yeah, the one thing is, yes, you still put it on the bill, but I can't eat it. It's not edible, like, it's too oily. Let me get the question of nutritious drugs, I wasn't able to eat it.
He wants a refund for the burger. He said he wasn't able to eat it.
So would you have to take the extra bill? I haven't been able to eat it.
Let me call my manager, okay? I cannot remove anything.
The manager is here.
I can't eat a burger.
Okay, that's our burger, man. I don't want to be told, right? This is not a public place.
This is not.
I mean, it is, but I genuinely think that it's misunderstanding. So all is good, right? But like when he's burger, genuinely, like I'm eating mine because I'm quite hungry. From when it came.
Bro, the restaurant was crazy. Just got the burger refunded. If y'all haven't already, check out my merch. Check out the merch line right here, guys. The link is in the description. Go get that. And we going active and crazy with higher quality stuff.
Called, what's that place called?
Where we going?
What's that place called that we live? Sherman Oaks.
You wanna go over there?
Let's go back to
I'm not even lying. I'm actually trying to go Sherman Oaks, bro. For the first time, pre 1 a.m. I'm like, actually, I'm on going. No, bro, this is ghost town, isn't it?
This is bro, we're not even on the strip. It's all the way down there. But where's, you remember where the car is?
I'm trying to go to a lit club here.
Right now, right?
Canyon Drive.